ni nogo chengi twendeye na kumanithia. Mbunge ya Senate nivangite ndambuka kuya nthi ya Amerika mwaini wa keenda ni kana kuneenan'ya na anyanyae Maseneta ma Congress Yiulu wa Ndivi kwa misyi ila yakunikie na Ivithukia ya kiiumamai ya Mbomu mwakani wa 1998 vanthi ya Kenya. Nzama imwanya ya Senate ila yendesye kuthinikia Ndivi cia misyi tongwe ni Seneta wa Masaku Mwandu Agnes Kavindu muthama kwi monthi ni akumana na wakili munene kwa nini ya kusukuma Ndivi ithi otondo mwandiki witu Benjamin Mwaka ukuelesya.
Mwai wa keenda withwa wa vata muno kwa misila viende kukitia Ndivi kumanwa na maukuno ma Ivithukia ya Mbomu ofisini ma Amerika mwakani wa 1998 nzama imwana ya mbunge ya Senate ila yende kuatia Ndivi ya misyi ivanie kutambuka Amerika na kukwatiania na Senate yaku kukitia akisya misyi ila miaka 25 kuwa kufikia oyu viende kwithia.
We look at September as an opportunity for us to get this at least on the desks of Senator Coons and all of your various friends in the House and the Senate.
We will come and face the Senate of the U.S. fully equipped, and I know as a Senate of U.S. they are there to deliberate the issues of people. This is God's timing. Kenyans is going to be compensated because I know Americans are going to walk the talk.
Nzama imwana ya Senate ila yende kuthinikia Ndivi ya misyi ungwa mwene kivila Senator wa kaunti ya Masaku Mwandu Agnes Kavindu muthama ikomanite na mawakili ma misyi ni aweta ndambuka ya Amerika yithwa na uniko ni kwithwa nthi yonthe ya Kenya kwa oyuthi itina wa kiyo cha enendiano.
We are a team in this process. And I think if we give the platform as Senate, as we speak to our government, speak to Senate ourselves, the victims and so on.
Kenyan government is not quiet. Kenyan government has stood now through the Senate, and even the president of this country is aware of what we are doing, and I know he's on board. Even the opposition leaders, we are all on board because this is an issue of Kenya.
Mawakili ya kuangaliko wa matongo ni Philip Mussolino ni maweta kinandu kila nthi ya Amerika yikite kuiva misila ya kunika ni Ivithukia ticha enenthi ma Amerika meoka na nongina enenthi ma Kenya hala makunikie maibwe kuma kinanduni kino.
They have to be friends with us, and they use Kenya as a base also to deal with terrorism in many parts of the world, which terrorism is towards America. And owing to the fact that finally Al-Qaeda networks were crushed by America during the time of President Obama, and they captured the main person as Americans, can they really escape from this responsibility of goodwill and friendship, to keep us going in many other aspects, trade, and many things we do with the American people?
There has been reference of such words as begging, as forgiveness, and I want to say, as Senator Beatrice Ogola, that we are not begging the American government. The reason why we are not begging is that we are looking at justice to Kenyans. Kenyans who got into a problem that they were not part of.
We've waited for 25 years with the suffering. We've cried to our government and they've come to our aid. We have hope that this fight will come to an end.
I believe in the American people. I believe in the state and the country of America. The people of America, if they get to know of our situation, I know they'll stand with us. They'll stand with us for us to come and bring this to a conclusion.
And prove that what we say, and what I believe is the American ideal in foreign policy, that we take care of our friends and we repair the damage that is inflicted on our friends because of us. This is as good an opportunity as the United States has to prove it. As Dr. Tasco refers to it, it's unfinished business. It's the old American attitude, if you will, fixed by the new American policy of partnership. And that's what I say when I get the opportunity to speak to the members of Congress. And let me just say, members of Congress don't care what I think.
Mawakili ameweta kusauwa kwanza mai mwana ya Senate kuikia vina kithito cha enenthia alama taibwa savali makwate akio kwa mituki na kuvinga faili syakio cha Ndivi kila kituevo kwa evinda vya Sam.
The formation of the committee and its seriousness of purpose has already raised the level of seriousness that our issue is being given in the United States. It is my very firm belief, and I'm jumping ahead of myself now, but I will anyway, that this September, which is our plan, when this committee or its representatives travels to Washington and asks the question of the United States, as the senator puts it, are you going to walk the way you talk? I believe it's this committee that will extract the answer, yes, absolutely, senators, we will. Show us where we sign. That's what I think.
Vilengwa mavoku mabamu sino Ilovi nye nito Benjamin mwakani.